Guys, do you want to know how I did that? Just keep watching this video and I will show you the full tutorial on how to do this, and follow me if you want to learn more about video editing. So now guys, if you want to do that, this is how you will shoot the video. So now, guys, the next thing to do is that you should split this one like this. Click on the video and click on this pencil sign, then click split here. So now the video is split. So now the next thing is to increase the speed of this one. Increase the speed of this one like this. Increase the speed of this one. Increase the speed of this one. So now the next thing is to go to this effects and choose delay. Choose delay. Now guys, the thing is done. It is done. So if you save the video now, the video is gonna play normally. The video is gonna play normally. The video is gonna play normally. So now let me save the video. Do you want to know how I did that? Just keep watching. The next thing to do is to just follow me, like this video. Remember, please like this video. If you have any question, comments, and remember to share this video and copy link 3 times. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about video editing, follow this account.